In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a vault in Obsidian. First, let's begin by clicking the vault icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon often looks like a small folder or a safe, depending on the version of Obsidian you are using. Once you click it, a menu will appear showing you the various vaults you have created. This step is essential because it allows you to access all the vaults associated with your Obsidian account. It sets the stage for the next action, making sure you have everything in front of you to manage your vaults effectively. Once you see the menu, you know you're on the right track. Next, you will need to select Manage Vaults or Open Another Vault, depending on your version of Obsidian. The menu may vary slightly, but you should be able to find this option easily. Clicking on this will direct you to a list of all your vaults. This is a crucial step because it ensures that you are in the right section to modify or delete your vaults. You will see a list of vaults displayed on your screen. Take a moment to verify that you are in the right place before moving on. After that, find the vault you want to remove from the list. As you look through your vaults, take your time to locate the specific one you wish to delete. This is important because you want to make sure you are deleting the correct vault. Double-check the name and any relevant details to avoid removing something you might regret later. Once you have identified the vault, you can proceed confidently, knowing that you are ready to take the next step. Now click the X or the three dots next to the vault you want to delete. The X is a straightforward symbol for removing items, while the three dots usually represent more options. By clicking either one, you are signaling your intent to delete that vault. This action is significant because it opens up additional choices, allowing you to proceed with the deletion process. You will likely notice a change on your screen as these options appear. It's a clear indication that you're just a step away from completing this process. From there, choose Remove from List. This will finalize your decision to delete the vault. A prompt may appear, asking for confirmation of this action. This is a critical moment as it helps to prevent accidental deletions. Take a moment to review any prompts carefully before confirming your choice. Once you click this option, the vault will be removed from your list. This ensures that your vault list is clean and manageable, making it easier to navigate in the future. With that done, you have successfully deleted the vault from Obsidian. You will see a confirmation message or notice that the vault has been removed. This little step saves you a lot of time later by decluttering your vault management. Remember, keeping your workspace organized is essential for productivity. You can always create a new vault in the future if needed, but for now, you have streamlined your experience in Obsidian. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your vaults more efficiently.